joyous for one man, and I suspect it's going to be from this pairing. 38 seconds now, back to Haru, and he's absolutely sprinting up this mountain as Froome starts to falter.
Yes, and I think they're made aware that the peloton of big favourites is coming up very quickly, and they have to, just give it their all. And we see Kosciuszko really pushing on here, but Lindemann looks to be the one who is playing quite tactically very good. Follow the other riders, and of course this sprint here is going to be, I think, between the two men now that are out in front.
Lindemann versus Kosciuszko. Who'd have thought it, Sean? We've described Kosciuszko as a mystery man from lap play. He's on form coming into this race. Lindemann now has been kind of greedy when it comes to the sprints. There's Louis Meintjes, a part of this group, which includes Almeida Chavez and of course Valverde. It doesn't look like it's going to be them either today. So between this pair, by the looks of things, we're in the final few meters. Who's going to steal it, Sean?
Well, it's going to be interesting one. Lindemann looks to be the one who is that little bit more explosive when he just go in the attack, and we can see here he is the one with a little bit more energy left.
Lindemann, the brave, they're going to start calling him from now on. He's been in the break 3 days, stage 2, stage 4, and a big one for him, stage 7. It doesn't get much bigger or better than that for a breakaway rider.
Ashira.
Breakaway has succeeded. He's broken everyone's hearts. The nearest man to him is Ilya Kosciuszko. He crosses the line. The cars get out as quickly as they possibly can from the void, and it's going to be a void between some of the